Well, here's an oldie but a goodie. I say you may be the last one you see for a while because it seems like everybody thinks that their tubes are worth $500 and $600. I've never seen one sell at that price, but everybody gets that idea. There's our Gmail if you want to get in touch with me by that, or if you're paranoid and don't want me to see your phone number, you can call from either a phone booth or call me on my cell phone. You don't know anybody that's paranoid, do you?
I only know one person that has a landline.
Who's? No, we don't want to talk about that. So anyway, lose that. So here we have the clock in its restful state, and Debbie's going to turn on the RGBs on everything, which is switches in the back, and that turns on the. Wait a second, and then go ahead and turn the one on the front.
Are you?
Yes.
Okay.
So the switch that right there controls this, which you ask, why did you put it there? And I say, well, there wasn't any room to put it anywhere else. The meters kind of ran everything else off the face of the clock, so it is the way it is. It's kind of, there's at least 4, maybe 5 circles of light, halos of light around the the vacuum tube, the 41000. Let me get up here closer so you can count them or you can see them. It looks like 2, but really they're divided. I think it's more like 4. So anyway, it's neat. There's a cathode ray poisoning, anti-cathode ray poisoning. That's why it does that.
Yeah, but what does it mean?
Well, it cleans off all the filaments on the
Tubes?
yeah. I'm not allowed to use small words. I can use big words. I can't use small words. So anyway, it uses that in order it raises the voltage on each individual filament, so it cleans that off for that one. And then of course every minute it also goes through its times where it shows you what time it is as well.
Date.
Yeah. What? I really shouldn't be doing this. I think I'm exceeding my tiredness level.
Well, I can be your brain.
Well, that's a scary thought.
Well, you can tell, everybody can tell this is not AI.
Well, true. What would AI say? I mean, can I turn it on and have it say something
No,
now?
I'm just letting everybody know that we're real people.
Well, they know we're real people because we're so stupid. That's all that we have to do is just tell people how stupid we are.
We're not stupid.
Well, we're not bright. Anyway, let me straighten that up a little bit. So, anyhow, this has got to be I don't know how many of these things I've made, but until people get desperate enough to start selling their tubes again, this is going to be it. So you probably, if you want one of these, you should probably buy it. Because if you don't buy it, you're going to have to wait forever. Because when this one's gone, it's
Gonna be gone.
it's going to really be gone because I'm not spending $600 for a tube and then $300 and some dollars for an entire clock, especially a clock that has 2 meters, a Raspberry Pico.
1 meter and a pico.
Yeah, well, it's 2 meters because I had to tear the meter part out of it. So that's why that. And if you notice, I use the same type of meter. Both of them are the clamshell where they have a half and they have a straight bottom on it. So we give a lot of thought to the details that are involved in doing these things. So anyway, well, we've used our 5 minutes. If you've been following us along for 5 minutes, then obviously you need to get a real job or hide when the supervisor comes by, one or the other. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope you buy it. Thank you very much, and thank Debbie too for keeping me straight.